Hello students, good morning. Welcome back with your chemistry teacher Rajkumar Juppa sir. And 11th class we will discuss in chemistry our new chapter, that is hydrocarbon. This is our part 1 and today we will discuss about the preparation of alkane. Alkane having general formula CnH2n plus 2. These are also known as the paraffins. Paraffins means little affinity, they are very less reactive. Now today we will start with the preparation of the alkane. Now alkane is prepared by the number of methods that we will discuss one by one. Our first method for the preparation of alkane from unsaturated hydrocarbons, just like unsaturated hydrocarbons means that contain carbon-carbon double bond and carbon-carbon triple bond. Now the first method we will prepare from the ethene. Now this ethene react with hydrogen in presence of a nickel or either platinum or palladium. These are act as a catalyst. This hydrogen is absorbed over the either nickel, platinum or palladium, and this addition of hydrogen add this carbon-carbon double bond. There is a deficiency of hydrogen. This hydrogen add at this carbon-carbon double bond and produce alkane. This is ethane is formed. Now if this addition of hydrogen is known as the hydrogenation. Hydrogenation means addition of hydrogen. Now this reaction is carried out in presence of nickel at a particular temperature range 523 Kelvin. That is known as Sandpapers and Sanders reaction. This is a name reaction because it is a temperature dependent. It is known as Sandpapers and Sanders reaction. This is known as Sandpapers and Sanders reaction. Now the second method for the preparation of alkane from alkyl halides. Alkyl halides, just like we take methyl or bromomethane. Now this is a alkyl halide. This react with magnesium in presence of a dry ether. It forms methyl magnesium bromide. This is known as the Grignard reagent. We will carry out this reaction in presence of dry ether because this Grignard reagent is a potent source of the carbanion and it will absorb the proton, any protonated solvent just like water or alcohol, and it changes to the alkane. Now this react with the water and it is changed to the methane gas, and magnesium OH is formed, and this is the formation of methane gas. Now second methods in that we can very important reaction. This is a known as the name reaction with the alkyl halides, reaction with the sodium. This is the sodium metal. This is the another molecule of the alkyl halide. Sodium bromide is formed and this is a formation of ethane, and this is a name reaction that is known as the Woods reaction, and it very important reaction, and it is asked in 12th class and 11th class both examination. And this Woods reaction is only utilized for the preparation of even number of alkane. Even number of alkane means the alkane that has the carbon atom 2, 4, 6, and this is not the good method for the preparation of the odd alkane. Let us see what will happen if I take one molecule of bromomethane and another molecule of bromoethane. Here I take bromomethane, here I take bromoethane. Now these are the gaseous reagent and they has the probability to react the two molecule of this with sodium and it form a ethane. This is the one probability, and another probability two molecules of this react with this sodium and it can form a butane, and another probability one molecule of this react with one molecule of this, it can form the propane. Now we get the mixture of the product ethane, butane and propane, and their boiling points are very much less difference between them, and this cannot be separate easily. So this Woods reaction is not good method for the preparation of odd alkane. So it is, we can prepare only even alkane by this Woods reaction. What is the mechanism for the reaction? What will be the mechanism? Mechanism of the reaction. Mechanism of the reaction. It means step taken to complete the reaction. Suppose this is the alkyl halide react with the sodium metal, it forms sodium bromide and methyl sodium along with this sodium bromide is formed. Now this methyl sodium react with another molecule of the alkyl halide. This is the another molecule of alkyl halide. This is negatively and this is the positively charged. This is act as a nucleophile and it form a ethane along with sodium bromide. This is the expected mechanism of this reaction. What is the mechanism of the reaction? Mechanism of the reaction means step taken to complete the reactions. These are the steps for completion the reaction of Woods reaction. You can learn it, watch the video again and again, that you can easily understand the mechanism of the reaction. Now students, what is the method by which we can prepare the odd alkane? Woods reaction is not a good method, so we can prepare the odd alkane by means of the Corey-House reaction. In the Corey-House reaction, first we treat the alkyl halide, it means bromoethane react with the sodium, it form ethyl lithium and lithium bromide is formed. Now this ethyl lithium react with the copper iodide, it form diethyl copper lithium and lithium iodide. This diethyl copper lithium is treated with a alkyl halide another than this. This is a bromoethane, but I use here bromomethane. So this ethyl group act on this methyl and it is changed to a propane. This is the even number. Here we get the odd number of alkane, that is propane, and ethyl copper or lithium bromide is formed. By this Corey-House reaction we are able to form the odd alkane. Odd alkane is prepared by best method, this is known as the Corey-House reaction. Now another method for the preparation of alkane from alkyl halide by reduction of alkyl halide, by reduction of alkyl halide. This is bromomethane. Now it is treated with the zinc in presence of a acid. It forms zinc bromide and methane gas is produced, plus zinc bromide is produced. By this reduction of alkyl halide we are able to produce the alkane. Now another method for the preparation of alkane is, the next method for the preparation of alkane from carboxylic acid. In that we will first study about the decarboxylation reaction. In the decarboxylation reaction, the process of removal of a carbon dioxide molecule from the carboxylic acid, that is known as the decarboxylation reaction. Decarboxylation means removal of carbon dioxide molecule. In that, first we take a acetic acid, just like I take ethanoic acid. This is treated with a alkali in presence of calcium oxide. This is a mixture of sodium hydroxide and calcium oxide, is known as sodamide. And it forms a salt, sodium acetate. Now this sodium acetate react again with another molecule of sodium hydroxide and it forms sodium carbonate. See this molecule of carbon dioxide is removed from air, CO2. It forms sodium carbonate along with CH3, and this H form methane gas is formed. This is a alkane. What is the special here? Here we will going descent of series. Descent of series means by this reaction we can decrease the number of carbon atom in a alkane. This carboxylic acid has 2 carbon atom, but the product has only 1 carbon atom. We are getting 1 carbon atom less than that of this carboxylic acid. By this method we are able to prepare only the even alkanes, and that has the less number of carbon atom. Now in that second method is the Kolbe's reaction. Kolbe's reactions, these are the 2 important reactions. This Kolbe's reaction is carried out by the process of electrolysis. In that we will take the salt of sodium acetate, dissolve in water and carried out a process of electrolysis. We get ethane and hydrogen gas along with carbon dioxide and sodium hydroxide is formed. This is the product of Kolbe's electrolysis reaction. How this reaction is carried out? When we pass the electricity through this sodium acetate, it ionizes as it gives you acetate ion and sodium ion. Similarly, what is also get ionized? Hydroxyl ion and hydrogen ion. First, the reaction at the anode takes place. What the reaction takes place at anode? When we pass the electricity through it, reaction at anode. The oxidation takes place, and this is the positively charged electrode. At this positively charged electrode, the negatively charged species is formed, either acetate ion or hydroxyl ion. The negatively charged species that has the lower discharge potential or high electrode potential reach the first. Out of these two, acetate ion has the lower discharge potential and it lost 2 electrons. And immediately it lost the 2 carbon dioxide molecule and it is changed to ethane gas, and 2 carbon dioxide molecules are formed and ethane gas is produced. What is reaction at cathode? That is the negatively charged electrode, and out of sodium ion and hydrogen ion has the lower discharge potential. These two lost electrons we will receive here and it is changed to the hydrogen gas. By Colbase electrolysis we cannot prepare the methane gas. We cannot be prepared. This is the drawbacks of the Colbase electrolysis. This is all about the preparation of alkane. Thank you. Have a nice day. Watch the video carefully, make notes and watch again and again to understand the concept, students. And these videos I hope definitely help you for the learning process. Like it and subscribe it and boost my morale so I can prepare the video enthusiastically again and again. Thank you. Bye bye.